Microsoft is currently recording your screen every few seconds to build a searchable recall database of everything you've ever done on your computer. This system is a security risk that turns your own operating system into a piece of spyware that stores local snapshots of your active Windows. This failure in privacy is driving a mass exodus toward Linux Mint, specifically for users who are tired of being treated like a product. The technical reason for this system collapse is that Microsoft's recall feature is enabled by default on new Copilot PCs, creating a permanent record of your private conversations, bank details, and passwords. Security researchers have already pointed out that this database is stored locally in a way that could be easily harvested by malware. In contrast, Linux Mint is gaining ground because it offers a cinnamon desktop environment that feels familiar but doesn't include corporate tracking. Linux Mint 22, codenamed Wilma, has become the primary destination for those escaping the Windows 11 bloatware. It is built on a foundation of stability using the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS package base, which means you get security updates until 2029 without having your screen recorded by the OS. The Wilma update includes the Cinnamon 6.2 desktop, which improves performance and customization while keeping the user interface simple and direct. The breakdown of why people are switching comes down to the software manager in Linux Mint, which now loads faster and handles Flatpak applications more efficiently. Unlike the Windows Store, which is filled with ads and promoted junk apps, the Mint software manager is built for utility. You aren't being clowned by a company trying to sell you a subscription every time you want to open a calculator. Microsoft's insistence on forcing AI Copilot features into every corner of the taskbar is a professional failure. They are prioritizing their own data harvesting goals over the performance of your hardware. Linux Mint 22 removes these data-heavy components in an operating system that runs faster on older laptops and respects your hardware's resources. I personally see this move toward Linux Mint as a necessary reset for anyone who actually wants to own their computer. It helps the friend watching this because it proves you don't have to accept a system that spies on you just to have a working PC. Windows 11 has become a security risk by design, and Linux Mint is the functional exit ramp. The recall disaster was the final straw for many, but the real winner is the open source community that provides a polished alternative like Wilma. It's a system where you control the updates, you control the data, and there is no big tech shadow recording your screen in the background. Microsoft thought they could get away with turning your desktop into a surveillance hub, but they are being cooked in the court of public opinion. People are realizing that the convenience of AI isn't worth the total loss of digital privacy. Is the convenience of having an AI search your past activity worth letting Microsoft take a screenshot of your screen every 5 seconds? Have you already started your Wilma installation, or are you waiting for the next data breach to finally make the switch? Tell me if you think Linux Mint is finally ready to kill Windows in the comments. And subscribe for more uploads on the tech shifts that big tech is terrified of.